Hello students, in this video we will see how to read vernier. In transit theodolite, for horizontal angle measurement there are two plates, upper plates and lower plate. You can see here upper plate and this is our lower plate. Okay, so lower plate consists 0 degree to 360 degree readings and upper plate consists 0 minute to 20 minutes graduations. Okay, so before starting how to read the vernier or for any observation or measurement, you should know the LC of the instrument. Okay, now what is LC? LC means least count. Okay, so once you know the least count of the reading system of the graduation, then you can read the vernier very easily. So how to find the least count of your theodolite graduation? Okay, so it is totally depends upon your division given on the plates. Okay, so this is your lower plate and this is the upper plate. So lower plate, on lower plate, okay, there is a main scale reading, main scale. Okay, and on upper plate there is a vernier scale. Okay, so on main plate, you can measure the reading in degree and minutes. That is, on lower plate you can measure the reading in degree and minutes, and on upper plate, that is on a vernier scale, there is a minute and second. Okay, it is very important. It means on a lower plate, on a main scale, there is a degree and minute readings, and on a upper plate, that is on a vernier scale, there is a minute and second reading. Okay, so first see. So see here, suppose this is a 0, right? Here 0 degree, here 10 degree on main scale, 20 degree and so on. Okay, so you can see here very carefully, here 1 degree complete, here 2 degree complete, here 3 degree complete, right? So 1 degree means here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. The basic is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Correct? So it means here 1 degree complete. It means what? Here 60 minute complete. Right? So the reading, the measurement of one division on main scale is what? It is 20 minutes. Correct? So the minimum reading, so here 20, 40, and 60 minute. It means here 1 degree complete. Correct. So here you can see here first division means 20 minutes, here small second division 40 minutes, and here 60 minutes. It means here 1 degree is complete, right? So the minimum reading on main scale is 20 minute. It is very important. Okay, so minimum reading on main scale is 20 minute. Now see the vernier scale reading. Okay, you know on vernier scale there is a minute and second. Okay, so suppose here 0 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and up to 20 minute there is a reading on a vernier scale. Okay, so see here, it means here 1 minute is complete. Okay, so on this here 1 minute is complete. It means how many? 60 seconds is complete. Okay, so the smallest division is this first smallest division. So what is the reading here? So it is 20 second. Okay, so 20 second, here 40 second, and here 60 second. It means here 1 minute is complete. It means 60 second is complete. Correct. So the smallest division is 20 second. Right. It means what? It means the least count of on the vernier scale, that is minimum reading on vernier scale is 20 seconds, and that's why the least count of theodolite is 20 seconds. Okay, if such graduations are there, then the least count of such graduation of theodolite is 20 seconds. Now you understand the least count of this vernier. Okay, now you can observe the reading very well. Now how to observe the reading? Okay, at the time of horizontal angle measurement, at the time of vertical angle measurement, you have to observe the reading. Okay, you have to read the vernier very carefully. So how to read the vernier? Now see here. Okay, so this is the vernier scale. Okay, so this small scale plate is the vernier scale, and this is your main scale. Okay, so how to observe the reading? Okay, here the zero of your vernier. So first observe the zero of the vernier where crosses the main scale, crosses the main scale here. Correct. It means how many reading? If it is 0 degree, then 1 degree, 2 degree. So first observe the main scale reading. Okay, so first observe the main scale reading. So here write main scale reading and then vernier scale reading. Okay, so first observe the main scale reading. So how to observe or how to read the main scale reading? Here see carefully where the zero crosses the main scale division. Okay, so here 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Okay, here 3 degree 20 minutes, 3 degree 40 minutes, and here 4 degree is not completed. Okay, so 3 degree 40 minute crosses this zero, right? It means the main scale reading is 3 degree 40 minutes. The main scale reading is 3 degree 40 minutes. Okay, now this zero is not exactly coincide this division or this division. Okay, this is in between these two divisions. So if such situation is occur, you have to observe the coinciding division. You have to observe the coinciding division, right? So here we can see uh, where the exactly coinciding division. Okay, so if you observe carefully, right, uh, at the end, okay, now this is the coinciding division. Okay, if you see very carefully, this is the coinciding division. Okay, so this is your coinciding division, right? Now if this division is coincide, okay, if this division is coincide, then what is the vernier scale reading? So here 0 minute, 5 minute, here 10 minute complete, and after that one division. Okay, after 10 this division is coinciding division. So what is the reading? It is the 20 second. So the total reading on vernier scale is 10 minute 20 seconds. So the reading on vernier scale is 10 minute 20 second. So our total reading is, our total reading is 3 degree 50 minute, because here 40 plus this 10 minute, it is 50 minute and 20 seconds. So this is our total reading of transit theodolite. Okay, 3 degree 50 minute 20 second. Okay, now see the another condition. Okay, here see the another condition. Suppose you are reading, now see here, now this is the your another condition. Suppose this is the another condition. Okay, now what is the reading if such condition? Okay, when we see into the windows, okay, for observing the reading and such condition is occur, then what is the reading? Okay, so first see the zero of the vernier. Okay, exactly see where it crosses or exactly coincide to main scale. Now in this situation, this zero here, okay, this zero crosses this division, exactly coincide to this division, correct, exactly coincide to this division, right? So first observe the main scale reading. So here 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, and here how many? 6 degrees complete. Okay, so the main scale reading is what? So the main scale reading is 6 degree 0 minute. Okay, so why 0 minute? Because directly this division is coincide. Okay, so when 0 is directly coincide to the main scale, then no need to observe the coinciding division, other coinciding division, because this 0 is exactly coincide to this division. Okay, so in this case, no vernier reading. In this case, no vernier reading. So our total reading is, our total reading is 6 degree 0 minute. Okay, now see one more case. Okay, one more case. Suppose, yes, suppose such condition is there. While observing the reading, if such condition on your window, okay, then what is the reading, right? So see here, first observe the main scale reading. Remember, first observe the main scale reading and then observe the vernier scale reading. Okay, so the main scale reading is what? Here this 0 crosses this division. Okay, you can see here this 0 doesn't coincide this division or this division. Okay, this is the 0 in between the this two division. So the main scale reading is what? Here 10 degree. Okay, so 20 minutes is not complete here. So the main scale reading in this case, the main scale reading is what? 10 degree 0 minute, right? Now when you observe the vernier readings, okay, if such condition is occur, It means what? The 0 is not exactly coincide to any division, this division. Then and then only you have to observe the another coinciding division. Okay. So you have to observe the another coinciding division. So here observe the coinciding division, and yes, now suppose this is your exactly coinciding division. Okay, this is the coinciding division, right? This is the coinciding division. So what is the reading? Okay, so here 5 minute. Okay, because on a vernier scale there is a minute and second. Okay, so 5 minute, 6 minute, 7 minute, 8 minute, 8 minute 20 second, 8 minute 40 second. So the vernier scale reading is 8 minute 40 second. So our total reading is 10 degree 8 minute 40 second. So in this way you can observe the vernier reading. Thank you.